Crude oil yet again traded bearish as we expected and predicted. It has now come towards the critical support zone at 70.8 and 71. While it is natural gas, it has posted a good recovery but yet again failed to break beyond the critical resistance and the levels at 3.33, 3.34. Can we expect net gas to break beyond this? Can we expect crude oil to bounce back from the support, or there is a possibility of further dip? See, the inventory data for crude oil yesterday has caused this dip. Now today it is net gas storage data, which might bring volatility into net gas prices. So how to enter, how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We'll look into US crude followed with net gas. Watch. Now see, one thing which we had discussed yesterday on the hourly charts for oil. Look at this candle. Now with this dip, it has erased all the gains from this candle, because this was a, you can say, recovery candle, but now with it has taken multiple candles to erase the gains from this. Second is, it is still respecting this bearish channel here, where lower highs and lower lows are seen. So now if you see oil trading below 70.8, you can take a selling entry here. Yes, if you see it is staying below 70.8, we can expect the prices to move towards 70.4, 70.5 as the first target, 70 at the second, and below that this is possible that oil might move towards 69.4 levels. See, moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. See, prices are just consolidating here, waiting for the moving average to come down, hit the zone, and then take a direction. Stochastic here looking downwards. MACD has almost bottomed here, trying to cross over for a buy. Let it cross over and confirm, then it may try to reverse. RSI running flat. On the observation is similar on the 2-hour charts. After this extreme swing candle, we can see prices turning bearish. Yesterday, what we did discuss, that it is finding it difficult to break beyond 72.6, and that is why we can see it reversing. Now, also notice it is finding it difficult to break below this, and if it does break below this and 70.4, 70.5 zone, you can expect a greater price correction again. Notice that despite all the swings, oil is trading in this bearish channel. See, this was the channel, this is the noise, and if you see, now it is very very important for oil to trade beyond 72.5, 72.6 in order to confirm a reversal. Right now it is not showing any such sign. Stochastic oversold trying to MACD here has formed a double bottom, but it has not yet crossed over. See what has happened here. After staying at the bottom, we have seen a reversal. Now it is staying at the bottom. We can expect a reversal soon. The RSI is flat at bottom as well. Coming to 3. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, though we can see a reversal candle here, but the prices are not showing any strength here. Also notice reversal candle and a double bottom. So it suggests that the prices has to reverse, but it is not showing any signs, and thus once you see oil staying below 70.8, when I say 70.8, the higher price has to be below 70.8, and then we can expect the price to move towards 70.5, 70.5, breaking below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Though the stochastic is oversold here, the MACD is also at bottom. It is still trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI running flat. On the 4, similar is the observation more or less. You can see consolidation going on here. This could become reversal. Also the divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to converge. Now whenever you see in the recent time frames, you will find every time it has taken a divergence from the 20 period, it has always tried to converge, and now for the day the 20 period is sitting at around $72 levels, and once you see it is staying beyond 71.4, 71.5, we can expect that oil prices might advance towards 71.8, 72 zone. The stochastic here is also oversold, which also calls for it to recover a little, but the MACD is right now trading bearish and not showing any signs of convergence, though it is already at bottom. RSI is flat at bottom as well. Coming to daily. Now on the daily chart, see straight bearishness here, right from close to $80 levels. Now we have seen oil coming towards $70 levels, and in just last 3 weeks, oil has now erased almost more than 10% here. So can we expect this dip? Now when you see the movement here, it is delivering lower highs, lower lows. It is, see, this was an aggressive drop here, and since then it is trading with this little consolidation here. Now the bottom of this channel is somewhere towards 70 and 69 levels, And if it drops below this, you can say more bearishness to prevail. Also notice on the daily charts, see couple of retracement candles, a gap up, then sharp drop, swing, and again bearishness. Now, even the last two candles, when you notice, higher lows and lower highs are seen. So now today it is very very important that only and only if oil is seen trading below 70.4, 70.5, you can say that the bears are taking over. Else, right now, I will say it is consolidating. Stochastic looking down, the MACD bearish, the RSI has dropped. So considering this, now first thing is where to buy. I will only recommend you to buy oil if you see it staying above 71.4. 71.5 levels. This is the first resistance zone which it needs to break, and if it stays beyond this, you can expect 71.8, 72 as the first target zone, 72.5, 2.6 as the second target zone. And if these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater recovery where the chances will be high that 73.3, 74 levels to be seen. Right now, that is strength, that momentum is missing, and I do not expect it to recover completely. Uh, and thus, possibly it may try to consolidate more before taking a direction. On the downside, a selling entry now is at 70.75. Yes, only at 70.75 you can take a sell. Expect 70.5, 70.4 as the first target zone, 70, 69.8 as the second, and then I will look forward to 69.4, 69.3 levels as the third target zone. Any drop below this should invite more bears here, where 68 levels can be expected very, very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed here, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. If you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, let's have a look at natural. Now, natural gas on the hourly chart, see, it has formed a double bottom. This is what we highlighted yesterday, and this provided it a very, very strong support at 3.18, 3.16 zone. With that as support, it has shown a recovery. And again, notice this similar formation. Just watch yesterday's video and you'll find similar observation we have created yesterday as well. Now see what has happened after this strong move. It is trying to erase some of the gains. It is trying to come back towards this support zone, and the zone here now between 3.3 and 3.24 is going to remain the prime support zone for the day. Look at this, the candles, the greener candles are bigger in size, the retracement candles are pretty small, suggests that it is still staying bullish. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone. MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over, and this convergence does not mean a reversal. It can start to diverge and look upwards again. RSI has taken a dip again. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Remember, it has formed a strong base. It has come towards the double top levels, and thus first it is very very important for our net gas to break beyond 3.38, 3.4 zone. That is the zone beyond which you can confirm a reversal. Also, the crossover here is bullish. It is looking upwards. The prices are trading with divergence. What it can do now, draw a parallel here, draw a line here, and then draw a parallel here. So what it may do, it can come towards 3.25, 3.24 zone before it posts a recovery here. And thus till 3.2524 zone, do not treat natural gas as bearish. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD has crossed over. It is trading in green, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI has taken a dip. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is more or less same on the 3 hour charts. After forming the base, it is bounced back, but yet it is failing to break beyond 3.4, and thus very very important for net gas either to trade above 3.4 or to trade below 3.1815 zone. Stochastic looking downwards, trading bearish. The MACD has crossed over. It is still in green. It is not yet crossed over for a sell. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is more or less same here. Look at the drop. The rise is vertical. It is trying to retrace. I will not treat this as reversal here. And yes, it is creating higher lows, higher highs. So first thing is only selling entry. Yes, you can take a sell at 3.28. What it may do at best is to come towards this zone. The lows here at around 3.2524. This should be an extremely strong support zone for the day. Only bearishness today is if you see natural gas trading below 3.28, 3.25, 3.24 zone. The stochastic overbought, MACD in green, RSI has taken a dip. On the 4, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart. See, it has taken multiple candles for it to retrace, but in couple of candles it has erased all the losses here now trying to retrace a little. Again, 3.2524, you should watch out for below that. More bearishness should prevail, and below 3.1815 is where it is going to crash further. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, the RSI flat coming today. Now, on the daily charts, there are a couple of key observations. First, lower highs and the resistance it is getting from the 20-50 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. So this zone is now very, very critical, and once it stays beyond 3.4, chances will be high that we may see a gap filling towards 3.48, 3.5 zone. And yes, this is the first resistance zone, because beyond this it may start or initiate a reversal here. Notice it has come out of this bullish channel, yet it is not yet completely reversed. And right now, despite staying in the bearish channel, a breakout beyond 3.5 will confirm a complete reversal here. Stochastic at the top, MACD at the bottom. So both are contradictory. Either the stochastic has to cool down, or the MACD will stay here and then cross over for the buys. Right now, it is convergence. The chances of a rise increases here. RSI running flat. So now, considering this, first let's talk about where I will recommend you to buy. If you see net gas today staying above 3.34 levels, and then once it stays beyond 3.34, you can expect 3.37 and 3.4 levels. Now, once it breaks beyond 3.4, I think we are looking forward to a greater rise. The prices are heading towards 3.45, 3.5 as the next targets, and beyond 3.5 is sky. While on the downside, a selling entry today is only and only if you see it is staying below 3.27. Expect 3.2524 as the first target zone. Very strong support at 3.2524 will be seen, and only if it trades below 3.2524, you can expect more bearishness towards 3.2, 3.18, and then 3.1615. If 3.1615 is taken, stay short for a greater price correction, which is going to take it towards 3.1, 3.05 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Right now it is showing a little strength. The possibility of a recovery can be expected. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.